Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy process of setting up your Zettle card reader. Whether you are using it for your retail store, salon or a small business, the guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in. First, unbox your Zettle card reader and make sure it's fully charged before the first use. This will ensure a smooth setup process. Now download the Zettle Go app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for pairing your card reader and managing your sales. Once the app is installed, follow these steps to connect your card reader. Open the Zettle Go app and log in to your account. Then, if you don't have an account yet, create one first. Navigate to the settings icon, then select card readers and set tab connect card reader. Then make sure your Bluetooth is enabled, then select your Zettle card reader from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Once connected, the app will prompt you to perform a quick test transaction to make sure everything is working. Once your card reader is connected and tested, you are ready to start accepting payments. Just open the app, select your product, and enter the amount and tap the card reader icon to begin a transaction. And there you have it. Your Zettle card reader is now set up and ready for business. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick setup guides.